wherein you will know कि हाँ मेरी ये ड्रीम थी exactly, right? Then daily scheduler में अगर आप शेड्यूल कर रहे हैं, if this was plain, तो what would you be doing? आप तो शेड्यूल भरोगे, कुछ नहीं लिख लिया, शेड्यूल पे देखते भी हो, मतलब ऐसा सब चलता रहता है। अगर आपके शेड्यूलर में ये सब चीजें हैं, जैसे बॉडी बनानी अच्छी, बड़ा बिजनेसमैन बनना है, और I need to motivate people, lots of people, तो वो चीजें आपने रखी हैं, तो your subconscious mind will know that yeah, you need to work on this, get back to work, so need some time, you need to work on the body. Your subconscious mind will tell you that. You'll have, what is the next best thing to a person? Laptop. Mobile?
Yeah, these
two best
two.
things next to a person. Everybody is having a mobile.
Yeah.
Everybody might not be having a laptop, but might be having a desktop as well.
Yeah.
And in daily, how many of you access Facebook?
Yeah. Everyone.
तो फेसबुक खोलने से पहले कंप्यूटर चालू करना पड़ता है। तो कंप्यूटर चालू करके आप 2 मिनट की स्क्रीन को देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको क्या करना है, राइट? इट विल हेल्प यू। देन मोबाइल स्क्रीन, आप एक फोटो ले लीजिए अच्छी गाड़ी का, अपना फोटो लगा दीजिए सामने, आप देखोगे कि या आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन दिस इज नॉट जस्ट फॉर शोइंग, राइट? देन यू कैन सेट रिमाइंडर्स, I am very positive, I need to talk to people, I need to work on this piece of writing, right? Reminders set करते हैं तो your subconscious mind will work on that.
Yeah.
Okay. अब सबसे ज्यादा टाइम हम कहाँ पे स्पेंड करते हैं? सबसे पहले दिन शुरू होता है तो बेडरूम में ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं। When you can have a vision board over that. वहाँ पे आप अपना vision board रख सकते हैं, right? Then next thing is office. ऑफिस में भी आप अपना टाइम काफी लोग ज्यादा स्पेंड करते हैं।
Yeah.
You can have your office dream chart over there. Then there is again the living room where I said you can have the family vision board, and then again in the bedroom. Or all you need to do is you need to spend 3 minutes daily. आपको you don't need to look at it as well. आप फॉलो करोगे आपको दिख ही जाएगा वो चीज, आपकी माइंड को पता चल जाएगा कि हाँ ये चीज है। Okay, now all are motivated. We have a shield around us. We have a shield of positive energy. So we'll be keeping negatives away from us now.
Yeah.
Hence, we also need to understand knowing each other's dreams and focusing on them. Change the vibrations between people. Time investment for each other's become more productive and create positive atmosphere. Sorry. ओके, स्टेप 4 यहाँ पे खत्म होता है। अपनी दोनों फैमिली से मिलते हैं वापस। एक ड्रीमर फैमिली एंड होती है फैमिली। ड्रीमर फैमिली क्या बोल रही है कि वी डेली रिमाइंडर्स, कंटिन्यूअस एक्सपोजर टू ड्रीम्स एंड पार्टनरिंग विद अदर ड्रीमर्स, इट्स सो इजी एंड एक्साइटिंग वो लोग भी बोल रहे हैं कि वाओ इट्स वेरी ग्रेट, इट्स एक्चुअली ग्रेट। होती है चलती फैमिली को अभी रियलाइज हो रहा है, वो बोल रहे हैं कि सेशंस कहाँ पे हो रहे हैं, हम लोग को भी जानना है। With the next step, let us learn to keep the track of the right course. We learn to keep a track. What is the next step? Can anyone think of?
Check the directions of your dreams and progress each day. Make a lifeline.
अभी हम लोग ने सारे टूल्स देख लिए, तो you need to have a map. तो आपको कोई जगह पे पहुंचना है तो you need a map, right? Navigation, GPS. You need a map. Life map is nothing but a visual roadmap of our life. Basically, roadmap के जैसा ही है. It's a visual. Need to have life maps कि पहले आपको क्या करना है, सबसे प्यार करना है, फिर बिजनेस बनाना है अच्छा सा. Then business in 2012 would be actually bigger than that. This shows कि आपको क्या करना है. Visualize करने का. Visualize the thing. Referring to this life map flowchart, we can ask ourselves the question each day: Is my action backing my dreams? क्या मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो मेरे ड्रीम्स के लिए फायदेमंद है या नहीं? Let us meet our family friends. Feels so good to know that we are on the track and leading towards our dreams each day. They said, better late than never. We are also motivated and we'll be working on our dreams as well. And as we reach the destination, आपने dreams achieve कर ली, relax, enjoy, take a deep breath,
Yeah.
feel confident and feel proud and work on other dreams.
Yeah.
And step 6, that's the step 6, enjoy and realize your dreams.
Yeah.
Maintain a record of the dreams achieved, enjoy it and share it. Share it with people, tell them that yes, I dreamed of this and I have achieved this.
Yeah.
And enjoy it. You can have a dream file of your achieved dreams, which will help you to get a positive attitude and get confidence that you have achieved dreams and you can achieve dreams as well.
More.
कई dreams ऐसी होती है जो आपने achieve कर ली लेकिन आपको पता नहीं चलता. When if you have the record, you come to know this. Yes, I can achieve this as well, right? And trying to meet the dreamer families for the last time. Hey, cannot believe we have achieved all this already. It's so much fun. We are looking at on our journey. ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हमने अपनी जर्नी में देखा तो याद we have achieved already many things. ये लोग भी से बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं भाई चलो अभी हम लोग तो काम पे लग रहे हैं. We'll work on this. Later on, early realization of dreams, change of dreams and plans, changes in needs and interests is all a part of life. आपकी ड्रीम्स की जो इंटरेस्ट है, ड्रीम्स हैं, वो सब चेंज होते रहते हैं. लेकिन ये जो स्टेप्स हैं, it will remain the same. The 6 steps will remain the same to achieve your dreams, right?
Yeah.
So friends, we have touched six steps briefly. Now it's time for us to give a commitment to ourselves. Now we need to work on this step 4. We need to work on the 6 steps which we need to follow. So it will help us to achieve our dreams. Each step has a significance. You read out? Anyone?
No, I take out from here.
Yeah, sure. Yan will be taking over from here.
Something is very important. Means, this teaches you to be organized. One has to be organized. The tool, basic tool of this is one. If you are unorganized, first thing is that you've got to be organized. Then have your specific dream. Then go move one step ahead. I think that is
That's true.
that's how you can reach your dream. First is you don't know what your dream is.
Yeah.
Then you think of your dreams. You finalize your dreams, and then you go ahead.
Yeah,
That's
that's true.
Thomas,
Yeah.
Yeah. So as I said, that's brilliant. That's the 3 of the 6 steps. So I won't discuss them again now. But yeah, Shivam told you steps 4, 5 and 6. They're very good steps. And Shivam, really very good. Once again. So step 4 is mobilize, visualize, personalize your dream. Step 3 तक हमने देखा कि ये ड्रीम्स हमने डिवाइड करके कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, लॉजिक दे दिया. But then we saw how the mind works with 3 powers: power of spoken words, law of attraction, and subconscious mind.
Yeah.
हमने देखा होगा कि there are many people who say कि महुआ वस्तु कर ही नहीं देते, कि मैं ये करके देता हूँ, and somehow they do it. सबने देखा है, some of your friends are anyone कि मैं ये करके देता हूँ और मैं कर लूँगा. तो what happens? The mind is programmed that way. Subconscious mind को पता चल गया है कि मैं करके देखा हूँ. वो हमने examples देखे कि the subconscious mind is in the language of pictures, right? So he has decided कि I'm going to reach at this place. The subconscious mind already knows that. Like I said, language or like you said the appointment. Subconscious mind once उसको अगर पता चल गया है कि उसको करना है, तो he will, the subconscious mind will do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Step 5. Making a life map. Life में क्या करना है? Just deciding your life, planning your life, making a film of your life. In 2011 I will be doing this, 12 I will be doing this, 13 I will be doing this, and for that we have a workshop in the evening. Planning your life in such a way that you never lose your motivation. जो balloon होता है ना balloon, अच्छा आपने बड़ा एकदम motivate थे क्या? बस कल ऐसे dream से आपका. पर धीरे the air will go. But in the evening in the workshops, we will discuss how the air will never go. Okay, how we can constantly remain motivated. How we can avoid it in front of our eyes all the time. And of course, enjoy the realized dream. अगर short term dream achieve भी हो गया, तो enjoy. Please. So, as I said, it's an NGO. We provide a lot of support. We provide personal counseling. Mr. Nirav Shah, who's not here just now, does free personal counseling. We make these visuals. मतलब visual देखे ना कि I want to be like this. So we are doing that. जो photos बना रहे, so we help you do that. We make that. We are a team of designers. Again, Shivam and we are like Amit who do this free of cost. So anytime if you want to do this, just let us know. और हम आपको ये विजुअल भी बना के देंगे आपके लिए। आप उसको लगा सकते हैं अपने विजन बोर्ड पे, आपके रूम में, आपके मोबाइल में, आपके लैपटॉप पे। वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट एग्जांपल, આપણે કોઈ પ્લાન્ટને ઉગાડવું હોય પ્લાન્ટને તો આપણે શું કરીએ?
Sunlight, water. Yeah, manures. To give manures.
પણ વીડ્સ હોય જે ખુલ્લું મેદાન જ્યાં કોઈ જતો જ ના હોય ત્યાં પણ વીડ્સ તો ઉગે જ છે ને, તો એમાં શું થાય?
જાતે ઉગે છે.
જાતે ઉગી જાય છે. Just like gossips, small talks and negative thoughts go in our mind, આપણે તો કંઈ ના કરીએ તો એ જ આવવાનું છે. But if we make efforts કે ના મારા dreams છે, I want good things in my mind, so you can, the result is going to be a plant. Same way result is going to be a dream. First, so it is essential to read books and be with positive-minded people. So that we made a group, all the positive-minded people. We meet once or twice in a month, discuss things, go out, have gatherings. So that we made a group. You can be a part of that group again. All are invited, all are welcome. And one can join as a team member as well, a volunteer. Like just 2-3 hours a week, but spread the message. It's an NGO, we can go to a lot of places, spread the message कि आउट जरूर से to motivate a lot of people, to change people's lives. And the workshops, we have workshops after this to go more in detail for dreaming. Workshop 3 is a workshop on being a more effective human. See how can you be more effective? બે લોકો છે ને બંને ડ્રીમ પર પહોંચવું છે તો you have to deal with people, right? તમારે કશે પણ જવું છે તો you have to deal with people. So workshop 2 says a lot of things like managing stress, managing appointments, then how talking to people, a lot of things like that. What can really again keep you motivated. That is workshop 3. All these points are covered. If you can just go through them. Yeah. And we give certificates upon attending the workshops, all the workshops, or upon practicing the step 4. Step 4 to practice करसो. Like we said, making a visuals, we help you in that. We give you a certificate for that. That you now are a dreamer and now you can dream and achieve a lot of things. And of course, we always help you with any difficulty, anything. You can spread the message, as I said, by being a volunteer or by word of mouth. You can tell your friends to come here if you want to. It is free of cost. And we have a huge group on Facebook where we have 6,000 people. रोज તમે ગ્રુપ જોઈન કરો, રોજ તમને દિવસના 15-20 તો મેસેજ મળશે, મોટિવેશનલ મેસેजेस by this person, that person. We have a group on Facebook and yeah, we keep in touch. We'll give you some forms. If forms please તમે ભરી દો. We can keep in touch about the future workshops as well, what is happening. Yeah. Let us all paint this world beautiful together. Thank you.